Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So it's time to do an unboxing of Boxy Charm. This month my box came really small compared to all the other months, which is like higher, it's thicker, and this was kind of flat. So I don't know, but it's heavy though. So let's see what I got this month, because if you saw my last box, I wasn't happy with it. So hopefully this one's better. So this is the theme for this month. The first thing I see in here is this, which is Audiography Pro. It's a makeup brush cleanser. That's pretty good. This is really good. I'm so excited to try this out because I gotta clean my brushes. And it's a spray. I guess you spray it on the brush and you just wipe it off. Yeah, it says spray directly onto brush and gently wipe on a paper towel. Seems pretty easy. I'm eager to try this out. Ooh, I see a palette. It's the Violet Boss Violet Sunset. I've seen a lot of people getting this one, so I'm excited. This was really pretty. I didn't know I was gonna get a palette this month because last month I didn't get a palette, so I already have makeup on. But I so want to see the colors inside. It's quite neutral. I like it. You could get some smoky eye looks with these two over here. It's mostly for daytime, but I think you could also use it as nighttime because of these colors over here and this purple. Oh, I like that color. That's nice. Let me try this one. I'm super excited about this random piece of paper. What? Oh, it didn't bring the bubble wrap. What? And they only put this. What? Paper. I just noticed that it has no bubble wrap at all. Okay, I see some brushes. These are from Luxy. So let me see which ones they bring. Which, by the way, I didn't tell you the price of the spray. Let me tell you the price of makeup brush cleanser. They have this for $19. The Violet Boss palette, $37. And the brushes, $40. $40 for 3 brushes. I mean, come on. It's just 3. I mean, I know they're good quality. Oh, and it comes in a little baggie. That's cute. But it's just 3. They're super expensive, but they're so soft. I mean, they're really soft. So it brings, let me see if they have names or numbers. Oh, this is for concealer. So this one says this is the 211 concealer, which I have one similar to that I use for concealer. Where is it? Here it is. I use this one from Moda to apply my concealer, and this one's bigger than this one, as you can see. So I think with this one I will take a lot longer to apply the concealer. I'm faster with this one because it's bigger, but I could use it also to pack on eyeshadow. Then this one is the 207 medium angle shading. I hardly ever use angle brushes like this one unless it's like this one that is for like doing an eyeliner type of situation thing. But when they're this fluffy, I never really know how to use these in particular. And then we have this one. It's for blush, but you can use it to apply powder or bronzing your face or whatever. But it says it's for blush, so that's pretty good. I could use that one for right here. It is a good size, at least for my face. My face is small. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of use of these two in particular. This one, not so much. Still don't know how to use this one. Do you know how to use this one? Let me know. Oh, this is what was heavy. This is, what is this? Gloaces toner. It's a toner. Give thirsty skin a drink of mildew. This toner meets moisturizer features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and Sika extract, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. And this retails for $34. It also helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. That sounds pretty good. I don't usually use toners, but I'm gonna give it a try. I've only tried very few toners and they kind of irritate my face. So I have to try this one to see if it irritates my face, I'll stop using it, but hopefully it works for me. It sounds pretty good. So this is the product that was really heavy. This brings 4.05 ounces. It looks milky. Can you see? Looks like milk. That's why it's called that way. Let me see what it says. pH balancing moisture. Oh yes, no wonder. It's a milk toner, that's why. And the last item in here is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in black, and this retails for $20. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. The packaging is pretty. So that seems pretty good. It's very stiff. So at least I got 2 makeup products in this month's box, which is good because last month I don't think I got anything that was makeup related, just skincare, I think. I'm more excited about this box than last month, so that's good because I was getting a little bit worried there. I was like, if I hate this box again, I'm canceling. So let me add up all the value of the products and let you know how much the box was worth inside. Everything adds up to $150. That's not bad for $30 that I paid for the box, so I'm satisfied with this month's box. So that was November's Boxy charm. Let me know what you got in yours. Did you get something different, or did you get basically the same that I did? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. My eyes are like that. It's because I'm using white eyeliner. It's a makeup blush. I was gonna say it again. Take 2. It's a makeup brush cleaner